Hello, welcome to day one of MDE 54. So this is learning support for your 154. So each day has several notes set up with lots of different subtopics. So the videos are just going to cover a little bit of lecture for each one. And then you can work on the problems, check your keys and things like that. So again, welcome to Unit 1, Day 1. This is Perspective Matters problem solving in your 154. So what we're going to work on today is a little bit of how to get translating these word problems into our math speak. So we've created this table for you that has some really common words for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and equals, and then a couple of these math word problems. So this first video is on this problem solving keywords for your math problems. So ones that I run into a lot for addition: and, the sum of 3 and 5. Multiplication, the one I see the most is of. Just this little two-letter word means multiply. 20% of 40 is 20% times 40. Division, the one I like to point out, is per. So when I see percent, it means divide it by 100 when you put it into a math problem. And then for equal, the most common I find is. So 2 plus 2 is 4 means that equality. And there's the others, look through them. What I want to point out in subtraction, I've got a little note here. If you have less than or subtracted from, they're going to work a little different. 5 less than a number means you're actually doing the number take away 5. If I have 5 less than you, we're taking away 5. So it works backwards than what you think. 20 subtracted from a number means x minus 20. So kind of watch out for those. Otherwise, if they just say minus, things like that, it goes left to right. So those are the two to really think on. They're backwards from what we're used to. So I've got a couple for you to try. I'm only going to fill in a few, but you would want to work on them as well. And again, check the key, ask any questions if you have them. You also may want to pause here and try these on your own. So ones that I'm going to look at is number 5. What? Okay, the what is an x or any variable, is 68%. Now I'm going to write this off to the side, 68%. That actually means it's 68 out of 100. Percent is 100, which is 0.68. So when I actually put this in my equation, I'm going to have it be 0.68 of is times 40. So little note on those percentages. Of means multiply, is your equal. And you can do a few of those. Another one I want to point out is the difference of a number and 8. So the is breaks it apart. This piece is on the left. The other part is on the right. Is twice the number. And then we look at this one, the difference of a number and 8. Just read it left to right. Oops, sorry, that should be an n. Minus 8 equals double the same number. Another one I want to look at is number 7. A number increased by 10% is 40. So you take your number, you add 10% of your number, is 40. That'll come in handy on your Math 154s if you need to add sales tax, if you need to add a raise, something like that. You're adding an entire 10% more. Okay. And then over here, the sum, so sum means add, triple a number, and 5. You can use any letter you want, by the way. And then I'm going to bop down and do number 4, the difference of twice a number and 8 is 4. Right. And then the others, just so you can check your work, make sure you're doing okay. Again, pause, try it on your own. X divided by 7 2x minus 3. And the last one I left out, x is 15% of 100. And that's your first mini lesson for your MDE 54.